Hello dear students, how are you? Today we have grammar, unit 7, lesson 1. Our subject is past simple with verb to be. Past simple is used to talk about things that happened in the past. We used past simple to talk about that things are happening in the past. Time expressions with past simple are yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, 3 months ago, 3 years ago, and etc. Past simple. In past simple we have verb to be and main verb. Verb to be, just like she was late last night, was is verb to be. Main verb, he played basketball yesterday. Played is a main verb. We are talking about verb to be today. Past simple, verb to be, the affirmative form. The subject, when the subject is she, he, it, or I, we use was with them plus complement. The past verb is was. But if the subject is they or we or you, we use were plus complement. We use was with she, he, it, or I. We use was. With they, we, or you, we use were. Examples: I was sick 2 days ago. I was sick 2 days ago. This is the past simple verb. This is verb to be. It was raining a lot last week. Again, was is a past verb. It's verb to be. It's not main verb. For examples: they were on the mountains yesterday. The subject is they. That's why we use were, not was. We were in London last year. We is the subject. We use were with we. We don't use was. And the time expressions, past time expressions, is last year or yesterday. Past simple verb to be in negative form. The subject is she, he, it, or I, plus was, plus not, plus complement. We use not after was to make the sentence negative. Or we can say was not, we can say wasn't. Instead of was not, we can say wasn't. The subject is they, we, or you, plus were, plus not, plus complement. And we can say weren't. Instead of were not, we can say weren't. This is the negative form of past simple with verb to be. Let's see examples. I wasn't sick yesterday. I wasn't sick yesterday. Wasn't, it's the verb past, and this is the negative form of verb. It wasn't raining last day. It wasn't raining last day. They weren't in the yard 1 hour ago. They weren't in the yard 1 hour ago. Weren't, again, is the negative form of were, which is a past verb. We weren't in the restaurant last night. We weren't in the restaurant last night. Past simple verb to be in interrogative form, question form. We use was and were in the beginning, was plus the subject she, he, it or I, plus the complement. The answer will be yes, the subject was, yes, the subject will be she or he or it or I, and was. Or no, the answer will be no, plus the subject plus wasn't. Were plus the subjects they, we or you, plus complement, and the answer will be yes, subject were, they, we, you, or no, subject weren't. The subject should be they, we, or you. Let's see examples. Was he happy yesterday? Was he happy yesterday? No, he wasn't. No, he wasn't. So we use was at the beginning of the sentence and subject and the complement. The answer will be no, he wasn't. Were they in the cinema last night? Were they in the cinema last night? Yes, they were. Yes, they were. So we use were at the beginning to make a question. Past simple verb to be interrogative again. More examples. Was it windy last week? Was it windy last week? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Were you reading? Were you reading? Yes, I was. Yes, I was. Let's review. Past simple is used to talk about things that happened in the past. We have past time expressions like yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, 3 months ago, 5 weeks ago, and other time expressions. We use she, he, it with was and complement. And we use the subjects they, we, you with were plus complement. So we use was with these subjects and were with these subjects. And the negative form is we add not to was or the were. The subject plus was plus not plus complement, and we can say wasn't, and the subjects plus were plus not plus complement, we can say weren't. And the interrogative form is like was plus subject plus complement, or were plus subject plus complement. This is all about past simple with verb to be. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. I hope that you